Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home with a double RV garage for a client in a great area. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3970 Bison Boulevard. This is listed now for $8.99. It did have a reduction, and it does sit in a super desirable area on Bison. If you're familiar with that, Havasu, you probably know where Bison is because it's right below the Christian Center and where people access the desert pretty easily and go shooting. So it is on 14,418 square feet of lot, but as you can see, some of it's unusable. But it's very nicely landscaped, and so let's go on in and check it out. So there's a lot more space than it looks like in the pictures. There's a pretty good amount of room up here. That is a double RV garage with a 24-foot wide door. So you can kind of do the math from there. Little breezeway, front entry, pool access. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2001, 2,964 square feet. This was a one-owner custom build. They were just using it in the winter as snowbirds, and they have since moved on. Nice big open living area. There are fire sprinklers in this house. Big windows to take advantage of the lake views and the pool. Cool built-in like bookcases. It's a little bit of a funky design, but you know, when people build a custom home, they build it for the way they want it. A little bit different. So they've basically taken everything that they are going to take. So everything left that you see is available outside of escrow. You have these like lit bars, which is pretty cool. Kind of an open kitchen. It's big, but it's kind of, you know, long and weird. So it does have solid surface counters, can lights, RO at your sink, and a real nice lake view and pool shot. Let me zoom in so you can check it out. So right about there is what it looks like to the eye. So you have kind of a formal dining area right here and slider out to the backyard pool area. So I'm gonna go back to the front and kind of just start checking it out. So off the front door, you have a double door dedicated office. There is no closet, so you can't really call it a bedroom, but you obviously could sleep people in here, no problem. Up light. So it is a split floor plan, I believe. So let's just keep going this way off the entry. This house does have a lot of closet and storage space, which is, you know, not easy to find in Havasu. So right off the entry, you have this giant laundry room. I'm not sure if I've ever seen a laundry room this big, but it's pretty substantial. Tile floors. You have these bypass barn doors, and behind the doors you have all your water heater, softener, runs for your irrigation, Malibu lights, etc. So on the other side of the room, the giant laundry room, you have your central vac set up. Also have a door out to the backyard side area and a Jack and Jill guest bathroom. It's kind of cool. So this guest bathroom just kind of, again, Jack and Jill's back out to the living area. And so we'll go down the hall here. pretty long, wide hall. So I'm just gonna start over here. This looks to be a guest bedroom, pretty decent size. Carpet is in real good condition. This house was only used lightly. So you can see there's a bunch of closet space. So the next room you run into looks like another guest room, which is also pretty large. And the same folding glass closet doors on this one too. So keeping down the hall, you have storage, more storage closet to your right, and then another guest bathroom with 2 more storage towel areas, and then 2 more on the interior of the bathroom. And the bathroom does have dual sinks, solid surface counters. Very timely for the 4th of July. So this is not, in fact, a split bedroom layout. All the bedrooms are on one side. So this is the master. Again, 3 glass closet doors. So tons of storage in this house. You have a slider out to the backyard pool area. They put in huge windows to take advantage of the view. It's a big master suite space. So the blinds that they have on these big windows are electric. So I see the remote for it. I'm not going to mess with them. And then you have all your closets and your master bath, which is pretty big, but there is only 1 sink, solid surface counters. They have a tube skylight in here and your little walk-in shower. So what's the closet look like? All right, guys, we're out here checking out the garage. It is a detached double RV garage, has epoxy floors, 13-foot high door, 40-foot, 0.8 feet deep, tons of built-in storage. There is a mini split AC unit in here. So the door is, of course, insulated. It's 25 feet wide at the door opening, which makes it a 20-foot or double RV garage. All right, so out the slider to the backyard pool area. The pool that was just redone in 2017. They also did roof gutters, a water heater, and 2 new AC units in 2022. Killer lake shot off of the backyard, travertine decking and coping, beach entry, pebble tech finish on the pool. So they did blow out the travertine all the way to the back. Here's your 2 new train units. So I just realized why the kitchen was awkward is because this has some ADA compliance type setups that they built for themselves because they were in wheelchairs. So that's what the beach entry is about. That's why the kitchen is open like it is. So the pool is heated and maybe even chilled. Yeah, so this is a heat pump. So it's also a heater, and it also cools your pool. So it's just like a regular heat pump AC. They also have a little standalone spa out here. Not a bad lake shot from your pool area. Hey guys, HavasuLew again, back with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Bison. Again, this one just had a recent price reduction. down to $899.9. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and of course availability. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.